Hey everyone! Welcome back to Gadgetverse, your go-to destination for discovering powerful, feature-rich tech that makes your content creation smarter and your everyday life easier. Today, we're diving deep into a camera that's redefining the vlogging space. Meet the Sony Alpha ZV-E10, an APS-C mirrorless camera crafted especially for creators and vloggers who demand flexibility, quality, and portability. At the heart of the ZV-E10 lies a 24.2 MP APS-C Exmor CMOS sensor, delivering beautifully detailed 4K video with minimal noise, even in low light. Whether you're shooting cinematic footage or crisp selfies, the camera's large sensor brings that professional depth of field with creamy bokeh, making you stand out in every frame. This camera is all about flexibility. It comes with an interchangeable lens system using Sony SE mount, giving you full creative control. Pair it with a prime lens for sharp close-ups or a wide-angle zoom for those cinematic travel shots. The possibilities are endless. Autofocus, it's blazing fast. Sony's real-time IAF and real-time tracking lock onto your face or subject with pinpoint precision, so you never have to worry about focus drifting while you vlog or move around. On top of that, the vari-angle LCD touchscreen flips out sideways, making it a dream for solo creators. Whether you're shooting YouTube videos, TikToks, or live streams, the intuitive screen helps you frame the perfect shot from any angle. And let's not forget the built-in directional 3-capsule mic with a windscreen. Your audio stays crisp even on breezy days. Need seamless streaming? The ZV-E10 doubles as a high-quality webcam via USB, no extra software required. Plus, with features like product showcase mode and background defocus, you'll never run out of ways to get creative on camera. With its compact build, USB-C charging, and outstanding battery life, the ZV-E10 is built to go wherever your stories take you. If you're serious about leveling up your content, the Sony ZV-E10 isn't just a camera, it's a game changer. Grab yours now from the link in the description. And don't forget, if you love discovering powerful gadgets like this one, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell so you never miss a drop from Gadgetverse.